Okay, so JavaScript format, insert space after comma delimiter. Define space handling after a comma delimiter. So let me show you what that looks like. This is set to true by default. So if you save a file, every time you have a comma delimiting something, like when you have function arguments or well, I guess function arguments. Is there any? There's probably some other. Yeah, when you're defining an object, for example, stuff like that. It's gonna insert this little space right here, right? If you set it to false, it's going to remove those spaces. Now, I do enjoy having these spaces. I think it makes the code a little bit easier to read. So I'm going to leave this one as true.